Rachel Shebesh amewataka maafisa usalama katika kaunti zinazoendesha tohara ya wanawake kuwa macho dhidi ya ongezeko la ukeketaji kupitia hospitalini na vituo vya afya. Akizungumza katika kaunti ya Embu alipoongoza shughuli ya kugawa sodo kwa wasichana, Shebesh amesema mbinu hiyo mpya inatumika ili kukwepa mkono wa sheria. Naye mwenyekiti wa bodi ya kupambana na ukeketaji Agnes Pareyo amesema wasichana wengi wamedhulumiwa kwenye majira haya ya COVID-19.
In counties where we are going, we are finding that we have nurses and retired nurses and clinical officers are doing it in their clinics. It's called medicalization. And it's become now another crisis. So again, County Commissioner, you know where those clinics are. 100% you know, and if you engage your team, they will even tell you which clinics. Again, that law against medicalization is here.
I know a lot has been happening during the COVID-19. We had our girls married off. We had the girls cut because of isolation and because of the secrecy that has been going on. We had some of them married off, some of them cut.
Kindly, I want to urge you, chiefs, SCCs and DCs, to ensure that our children are safe from early pregnancies, from engaging themselves in unworthy behavior. And if we mean to do these things, I am sure we'll help the parents achieve their aim.
Serikali imetenga shilingi bilioni 1.4 kustawisha mfumo wa usafi na usambazaji wa maji